On October 13, 2025, the universe stunned us, not with spectacle, but with silence. A cosmic visitor from a distant star system, known as 3I Atlas, did the impossible. It stopped dead in space. This wasn't a slow drift or a gentle curve. It was an abrupt, physics-defying halt that sent shockwaves through the scientific world. Suddenly, humanity was united by a single question: what just happened? For millennia, we've wondered if we're alone. Now, something from the interstellar void had arrived on our doorstep. The event forced us to confront the possibility that the universe is far stranger than we imagined. Imagine a comet racing through space, then slamming on the brakes. This is what astronomers witnessed. The implications were staggering, challenging the very foundations of astrophysics. Overnight, orbital mechanics became dinner table conversation, and 3 Atlas became a global phenomenon. It was a stark reminder: we are tiny inhabitants of a vast, mysterious cosmos. What is 3I Atlas? The 3I marks it as the third interstellar object ever detected. Atlas is the Hawaiian observatory that found it. Unlike local asteroids, interstellar objects like this one follow hyperbolic paths, flying in from the stars, then out again, never to return. 3I Atlas was larger and more robust than its predecessors, and its path brought it close enough for detailed study. Scientists saw it as a message in a bottle from another solar system, carrying secrets about the building blocks of planets and life. Its composition promised answers to grand questions. Is life's chemistry common across the galaxy? More than a rock, it was a scientific treasure, an unprecedented chance to glimpse another world. To grasp 3I Atlas's significance, look at its predecessors, Oumuamua and Borisov. Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a bizarre, tumbling object that accelerated away from the Sun, defying easy explanation. Borisov, found in 2019, behaved like a typical comet, suggesting familiar processes across star systems. These objects are our only direct samples from other stars, cosmic time capsules that could rewrite what we know about planetary formation. 3I Atlas, larger and easier to observe, was the perfect test case. Would it be a conventional comet or another cosmic oddity? Scientists hoped it would bridge the gap between the familiar and the mysterious. Each new interstellar visitor is a piece of a puzzle, helping us understand our place in the galaxy. The arrival of 3I Atlas was met with anticipation. It could be the tiebreaker in our quest to understand the universe. Was the cosmos filled with ordinary comets, or was it stranger than we dared imagine? The discovery of 3I Atlas triggered a global observation campaign. At first, it behaved like a textbook comet, brightening as it neared the Sun, releasing gas and dust. Spectrographs revealed familiar elements, but also isotopic ratios never seen in our solar system, proof of its alien origin. As it approached Mars, it erupted in unexpected outbursts, offering scientists fresh material to analyze. The world watched as telescopes, including Hubble and James Webb, captured every detail. Everything seemed to follow the laws of celestial mechanics. 3IR Atlas was a magnificent, well-behaved interstellar comet, until the universe delivered a plot twist. The plan was simple: observe, record, analyze. But the cosmos had other ideas. On October 13, 2025, 3I Atlas was speeding through the asteroid belt at over 90,000 miles per hour. Suddenly, observatories worldwide reported the impossible. The object had stopped. Not slowed, not veered, stopped. as if anchored in space. Scientists scrambled to check for errors, but the data was clear. The laws of physics say an object with such momentum can't just halt. There's no force in the solar system that could do this. It was like a bullet stopping mid-air without hitting anything. The energy required was beyond any natural phenomenon we know. The scientific community was thrown into chaos. The comet's tail faded, its glow dimmed, and it became a silent enigma in the asteroid belt. The object that promised answers now posed a question that shook science to its core. The universe had broken its own rules. 3I Atlas was no longer just a comet. It was the greatest mystery of the century. The world held its breath. NASA shifted from routine observation to crisis mode. Dr. Evelyn Reed, lead astrophysicist, described the moment. We were looking at data that violated the laws of motion. Every possible error was checked. None explained the halt. All available resources, from Hubble to the Deep Space Network, focused on 3I Atlas. The mission changed, from studying a comet to investigating an anomaly. Public and political pressure mounted as the world demanded answers. Could we send a probe? Suddenly, the stationary object was an unprecedented opportunity. Plans for a rapid mission began. Time was now the challenge, not speed. How long would it stay? What would we find? The race to solve the mystery had begun. With the impossible confirmed, theories exploded. Some proposed a hidden black hole or a colossal outgassing event, but the odds were near zero. The event was too precise, too controlled. For the first time, serious scientists considered, what if 3I Atlas was under intelligent control? Was it a probe, an artifact, a deliberate maneuver? The implications were staggering, a potential first contact scenario. As Dr. Reed said, we must follow the evidence wherever it leads. We were in uncharted territory. The halt of 3I Atlas has changed space science forever. If a natural explanation emerges, it will revolutionize physics. If not, the universe is stranger than we thought. The event has united nations, spurred new funding, and inspired a new era of exploration. Aerospace companies are racing to develop new technologies for deep space missions. 3I Atlas is now the most valuable destination in the solar system. It's a humbling reminder. Our knowledge is finite, and the universe's surprises are infinite. The age of exploration is not over. It's just beginning. The mystery has ignited a global passion for discovery. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning. The object remains silent, a cosmic question mark. Every telescope and radio dish is watching. Every scientist is searching for answers. We are on the edge of a new era, one that could answer the oldest question. Are we alone? Our curiosity drives us to reach across the void, to touch the unknown. 3I Atlas is the ultimate test of our drive to understand. Whatever we find, new physics, a geological marvel, or something unimaginable, it will change us. The story of 3I Atlas is our story, a species reaching for the stars with open minds. The greatest adventure is not just out there, but within us, in our quest to know the universe and ourselves. The voyage has just begun.